This is iCar2 OBD Professional Solution Bluetooth Ratio Scan Tool. Open the case, include the English user manual and CD software. iCar2 can work with Android phone and Windows laptop. Next, we will show you how it's working. Plug iCar2 into the car. Make sure lights on normally. Turn on your phone Bluetooth, searching V-Link to connect. Should enter password 1234. We are going to use ELM327 Identify Standard Test software to show you this iCar performance. Now, we will show you how to connect with torque. OBD2 adapter setting must selection Bluetooth. Here we go. This iCar communication good with interface and car ECU. We are going to reading fault codes. This car without fault codes. Click graphing. We can see the engine RPM like fuel cost, speed data, and other information. iCar2 also can check engine speed well. That is all. Thank you for watching.